welcome back to my channel Learn with Sudheras. Today I want to show you this tablet with pen because I want to teach online mathematics subject, and I think you all know that mathematics can't teach without writing and drawing a pictures or diagrams. So I thought that I have need to buy this tablet and pen, and this is from Wacom, and there are three types of tablets available in this company. One is One, and another one is Intuos, and third one is Pro. And we bought this in medium size, and let me show you. Yes, this is the box, and in this box we have this pen. This is the pen, and it has two buttons on it. One it, and you can set the functions of these both the buttons by going in settings, and you can set like undo, redo, your right click. All these functions are available for these two buttons. And this has this tablet, and we bought a wired one. It is also coming in wireless model, and I think wired one is cheaper than a wireless model, so we bought this one. And it is also very useful and convenient for us, and it also has 3 extra nibs with this pack. These nibs we can use later on when the first one will used off or finished. And this ring is used to change these nibs, and it is helpful to change nib. And next, let me show you how it works with the laptop or PC. Yes, now I have connected it with my Mac. Yes, it will work with Mac and Windows both. So let's see how it works with the Mac. I have one software for Mac, it is like whiteboard, and here I will write anything because I do not have any practice. So let's see how it works. See, yes, it's working. I can write anything with this pen. As I said, this pen has 2 buttons, and you can set functions from settings. And I have set for this lower button undo, and upper button redo. I can write my name. I need lots of practice to write in this software and with this pen. So I can change colors like green one, 2, 3, and these are the lines. This for darker one. Yes, and now this application has backgrounds. If I need grid paper or lining paper, black paper, and then black in grid, you can use any one of it. I think it is very useful for me. I can teach mathematics in easy way, because online it is difficult to teach someone without writing, and you cannot share screen because if we write with mouse, it is not neat and clean. So this pen is very helpful. I will practice to write, then I will start classes. See, I will start classes of Vedic maths and abacus and mathematics subject soon. Guys, I want to show you this tablet because see how neat I can write. Yes, see, wow, it is working so nice. I love it, guys. It is very helpful for me. And now I can make notes with this pen. I don't need any notepad or pen. So guys, this is my new gadget, and hope it will help me so much. So thank you for watching my video. Soon I will start sharing videos of Vedic mathematics subject, and many more videos that I want to share with you. Soon I will share. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.